Welcome to our journey into ecological science. Here, we delve into the dynamic world of ecosystems, biodiversity, and conservation. So, what exactly is ecological science? It's the study of relationships between living organisms and their physical environment. Why is this important? Understanding ecology helps us grasp the balance of our natural world, uncovering how ecosystems function and thrive. Throughout this video, we'll explore foundational concepts such as ecosystems, the significance of biodiversity, and pressing environmental issues. Additionally, we'll uncover how conservation efforts and technological advancements are making a tangible difference. By understanding these principles, we become more informed and responsible custodians of our planet. Whether you're a student eager for knowledge or simply curious, this video will guide you to a deeper appreciation of our natural world. Get ready for an educational and inspiring adventure into ecological science. Welcome to Understanding Ecosystems. An ecosystem is a community of living organisms interacting with their physical environment. Ecosystems can be vast like a rainforest or small like a pond. They consist of biotic, living, components like plants and animals, and abiotic, non-living, components such as soil, water, and air. These elements create a balanced system where each part plays a vital role. For example, in a forest, trees provide oxygen and shelter, while animals pollinate plants and decomposers recycle nutrients. From arid deserts with thriving cacti to vibrant coral reefs housing marine species, each ecosystem showcases nature's interconnectedness. As we continue, we'll dive deeper into how these ecosystems function and why they are crucial for the planet's health. Ecosystems are intricate webs of life, woven together by biotic and abiotic components. Plants, animals, and microorganisms play vital roles, while water, soil, and climate form the physical environment. This interaction creates complex chains of energy and nutrient flows. Plants absorb sunlight, herbivores consume plants, and predators eat herbivores, maintaining balance. Nutrients cycle through ecosystems, facilitating growth and equilibrium. Every organism, big or small, is crucial in this dynamic system. Understanding these interactions helps us appreciate the delicate balance sustaining life on Earth. As we proceed, you'll see how each component contributes to ecosystem richness and complexity, and how energy and nutrients keep these remarkable systems in motion. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life we share our planet with, encompassing myriad species, diverse genes, and intricate ecosystems. It's the rich tapestry of life, from microorganisms to grand mammals. Biodiversity operates at several levels: genetic within species, species within ecosystems, and ecosystem diversity across the biosphere. Why is it vital? It ensures ecosystem health and resilience. Providing services like clean air, fresh water, fertile soils, and crop pollination. It acts as a buffer against environmental changes, aiding recovery from disturbances, adaptation to challenges, and maintaining productivity. Understanding biodiversity and its significance is the first step towards its protection. Preservation of this variety of life is essential for our survival. As we proceed, you'll see how the delicate interconnections of biodiversity influence our ecosystems and our daily lives. As we delve deeper into ecological science, we must confront the pressing issue of biodiversity threats. Biodiversity, the web of life encompassing species, ecosystems, and genetic variation, faces numerous human-induced threats. Habitat destruction through urban expansion, deforestation, and agriculture strips away countless species' homes. Climate change, driven by greenhouse gases, alters habitats and challenges species' survival. Pollution, from chemicals to plastics, contaminates our environment, endangering wildlife and humans. Overexploitation through unsustainable hunting, fishing, and resource extraction depletes populations, driving many towards extinction. These interconnected threats pose significant challenges to biodiversity. Addressing them requires awareness, conservation, and sustainable practices. As we proceed, you'll see how science and community efforts can turn the tide for our planet's incredible diversity of life. Conservation is essential to protect the biodiversity that sustains life on our planet. Effective strategies blend science and community action. Designating protected areas creates safe havens where wildlife can thrive. These zones safeguard vital ecosystems and preserve genetic diversity. Sustainable practices play a crucial role, including sustainable farming, responsible forestry, and eco-friendly urban planning. These practices ensure resource-wise use and maintain ecological health balance. As we explore further, we'll uncover diverse conservation strategies and successful examples demonstrating tangible differences. Our journey showcases the importance of protecting our natural world. You'll see how large-scale policies and small-scale projects work together to foster a sustainable future. Join us as we explore successful conservation projects that highlight the impact and importance of protecting biodiversity through thoughtful, innovative approaches. Let's look at some successful conservation projects that have significantly impacted biodiversity. Around the globe, initiatives like reforestation in the Amazon and marine conservation in the Great Barrier Reef have revitalized ecosystems and bolstered biodiversity. One notable example is the project to save the critically endangered black rhino in Africa. Through rigorous protection measures and habitat restoration, populations are rebounding. In Costa Rica, a countrywide push to re-establish native forests has resulted in a significant resurgence of plant and animal species. The success of these projects teaches valuable lessons. Collaboration between governments, NGOs, and local communities is crucial, and adopting sustainable practices ensures longevity. As we continue, you'll see how different strategies combat environmental challenges, paving the way for a healthier planet. Human activities like urbanization, agriculture, and industrialization profoundly impact ecosystems. As cities expand, natural habitats transform, affecting local wildlife and plant species. Large-scale farming often leads to deforestation and soil degradation, drastically altering landscapes. Industrialization introduces pollutants, altering ecosystems in ways we are just beginning to understand. Investigating these impacts helps us grasp the magnitude of the changes we inflict on our environment. This understanding is crucial for addressing challenges and developing sustainable solutions. As we proceed, you'll see how climate change adds complexity to human influence and natural processes. Understanding these dynamics is key to crafting effective conservation strategies, ensuring ecosystems remain resilient and robust for future generations. Stay with us to delve deeper into climate change and ecosystem health. Climate change is reshaping our planet, profoundly impacting ecosystems. As temperatures rise, habitats alter, forcing species to adapt or face extinction. This struggle is evident across ecosystems. Polar bears lose their icy habitats, coral reefs bleach under warmer seas. Adaptation may involve migration, behavioral changes, or new traits, but not all species can keep pace. Conservationists face growing challenges, needing new strategies to combat these changes. Mitigation efforts include habitat restoration, emission reduction, and sustainable practices, offering hope. These strategies aim to save species and preserve the intricate web of life. Our actions today determine the resilience of tomorrow's ecosystems. Understanding these dynamics is crucial as we explore advanced mitigation strategies and solutions to safeguard our natural world. Next, we'll delve into technologies revolutionizing conservation efforts. In the fight to protect our planet, technology is an invaluable ally. Technological advancements are transforming conservation, enabling precise ecosystem monitoring and protection. Remote sensing gathers detailed data from inaccessible regions, using satellite imagery and drone footage to detect changes and threats in real time. Data analysis is revolutionizing the field with advanced algorithms and machine learning models, uncovering previously hidden patterns. This information guides more effective and efficient conservation strategies. technology enhances our understanding of ecosystems and empowers proactive measures to safeguard them. As we continue, you'll see how community involvement amplifies these efforts, turning scientific findings into meaningful action. Together, technology and community engagement are paving the way for a more sustainable future. Effective conservation relies heavily on community involvement. From small towns to large cities, community-led initiatives protect and sustain local ecosystems. Education and awareness inspire action and foster a culture of conservation. Local efforts address immediate environmental challenges and cultivate stewardship among residents. Organizing cleanup drives, protecting wildlife, or restoring habitats, communities make a tangible difference. Their collective efforts highlight grassroots movements' importance in achieving broader ecological goals. As we explore community-led projects, we witness public engagement's profound impact on preserving our natural world. These stories of collaboration illustrate that conservation isn't solely for scientists or policymakers, but a shared duty of all. Moving forward, let's examine how policies and legislation enhance local community efforts, ensuring long-term success. Policies and legislation are cornerstones in the battle for ecological conservation, ensuring that environmental protections are enforceable actions. Governments worldwide have immense power and responsibility in this domain. Implementing environmental policies fosters sustainable development and safeguards ecosystems. International agreements like the Paris Agreement cement collaborative efforts across nations to address global environmental challenges. These agreements compel countries to set and meet ambitious conservation targets. Government roles extend beyond policymaking to include regulation, enforcement, and public education. Their influence can drive industries towards green practices and innovations. Effective policies reduce pollution, protect endangered species, and promote biodiversity. Change is sustained through robust legal frameworks balancing human needs with ecological integrity. As we proceed, you'll see how these policies translate into real-world impacts, demonstrating legislative action's tangible benefits in preserving our planet's health. As we look ahead to the future of ecological science, we find ourselves at the crossroads of incredible challenges and opportunities. Emerging trends like advanced data analytics, biotechnology, and remote sensing revolutionize our ecosystem understanding. These advancements come with challenges, from ethical considerations to the need for sustainable solutions. The future holds the promise of groundbreaking innovations redefining conservation efforts and ecosystem management. Young scientists equipped with cutting-edge tools and fresh perspectives lead the charge, paving the way for a new era in ecological science. As we continue exploring, the potential for positive impact is immense. The next phase requires continued innovation, ethical responsibility, and global cooperation. As we move forward, let's carry today's lessons to build a sustainable and harmonious tomorrow, shaping a future where humanity and nature can thrive. As we conclude our exploration into ecological science, we see its profound impact on our daily lives. Ecological science is not just theoretical, it has practical applications making real differences. From sustainable farming ensuring food security to conservation projects saving endangered species, the successes are evident. For example, ecosystem restoration revitalizes local economies and promotes biodiversity. Renewable energy reduces carbon footprints and combats climate change. These efforts, part of a broader movement driven by ecological principles, lead to cleaner water, healthier air, and resilient communities. The ripple effects remind us of the vital role ecological science plays. It's about understanding the world and changing it for the better. Our journey culminates here, showcasing its indispensable impact. As we move forward, consider how you can be part of this transformative field. Join us in the next segment to discover how you can get involved and make a difference. The journey doesn't end here. It's just the beginning. You can make a difference today. Get involved in conservation efforts. Whether it's volunteering, supporting sustainable practices, or making lifestyle changes, every action counts. Educate yourself with available resources, from online courses to workshops, and share that knowledge. Joining the movement to protect our planet is a shared responsibility. Together, we can create a ripple effect far beyond our immediate surroundings. Your passion and dedication drive real change. So, what are you waiting for? Join us, take action, and let's work together for a sustainable future. As we wrap up, remember, conservation is a collective effort, and it starts with you. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the movement.